Hey everybody, I thought I'd make a video, just put it right here in OneNote with kind of what the expectations are, what I'd hope you would do with the Algebra 2 content each week. So I'm just going to kind of run you through it here on OneNote. Obviously, we've got our tabs for each week of the school year that we have left. Assuming we don't get back to the high school, this is the schedule we'll follow, and we'll just work towards that. Um, a couple of things. Each week you're going to be given a worksheet. Sometimes that worksheet will be bigger, sometimes it'll be smaller. This week's worksheet shouldn't be too bad. I think next week's will be one of the more challenging ones. It'll take a little bit more time to solve. But even that, I tried not to go too heavy on the amount of work to ask. I'm kind of hoping that you'd spend about 15 minutes a day. And at the end of that 15 minutes a day, you should be able to finish in the 6 days that you basically have. That's about an hour and a half. That's for those who are really struggling. But you might have to spend some time getting on to live chats and asking for help. Um, I do expect a picture of your work emailed to me by Saturday at 5 p.m. Anything after that, count it late. I really want to have you guys turning work in on a regular basis. I'm not asking for a lot, but I do ask for this much. Um, Again, if you're struggling, guys, you've got to get on the live chats, ask for help. We go through the worksheets as much as you need. It's really dependent on how much you want help with. But my office hours Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 to 10 in the morning, and then Tuesday, Thursday, I do 12 to 1. This is the unit circle. You're going to use it to answer the first 10 questions or so. Now, right here, you can open the PDF and print it, or you can print this page. You could just write this on your own piece of paper. I really don't care how you're going to get it to me. But you're going to go through and you'll try to answer these questions. This week, there's about 20 of them. And then down below, you'll see I start posting videos. Hey, here's number 1 through 10. Here's how we go through it. Number 11 through 16. I'm trying to be very detailed about what's expected for you to be able to solve the problems. There'll be another third video. Usually it takes me about 2 to 3 videos to get it all done. Some of them are short. Some of them will start to get a little longer, potentially for next week. But you just need to spend some time going through and seeing how well you understand what we're trying to cover in these videos by doing the homework. If you have something late, just turn it in. I'm probably not going to penalize you too much for being late, as long as it's not a consistent thing that I never seem to get work from you. Please, so just try to get it sent to me. When you send it to me, I'm going to shoot back the answer key to you so that you can check your work and know whether or not you've done it right. Again, if you're not sure about the instructions, like here it says solve each triangle. If you don't know what that means, watch the video for a minute, see what it means, and go from there. Don't just assume that you know exactly what these instructions mean. Okay. That being said, I mean, there's not a lot else to it. Email me if you can't make it to my office chats, right? Say that you come up here and you're like, Mr. Welch, I can't make it at 9 to 10 in the morning because I refuse to get out of bed before noon. Like, first off, that's a crap attitude. But second, if that's really where we're at, I still want to help you. Just communicate with me. We can set up separate chats when I can go over stuff with you. But we just got to communicate, okay? If you have questions, like I said, shoot me an email, and we'll kind of go from there.